I just got grabbed and picked up by my Uber. And now we're sitting at a red light. We're gonna head up to Santa Rosa. So it goes Pereira, Dos Quebradas, Santa Rosa. Now we're gonna go up there and I'm gonna show you around up there. I'm gonna take you in El Centro. I'm gonna show you all around. I'm gonna show you some of the real estate up there and see what you like. Santa Rosa is smaller. It just gets smaller and smaller. So it goes Pereira, Más Grande, the biggest, and then a little bit smaller, Dos Quebradas, and a little bit smaller, Santa Rosa. It's almost identical, but they're all just a little bit smaller. And as you get up a little higher, it gets cooler and cooler. So the people who want to wake up and put a jacket on and walk around, they're up in the mountains, it's nice and cool. You can keep your windows open and just get a breeze at night. Sometimes it'll get cool enough you'll need to shut your windows. So I think for people over 65 and they just want to chill and kind of be away from it all, you can go to Santa Rosa. And then you can, if you buy, let's say you buy a house up, you'll be buying a house because it's more house orientated. You pick up a house for 25 grand, nice, fix it up a little, and then you buy a little 125cc motorcycle. You drive up to the hot springs, Termales. You can chill up there for the day. You can come down. You can drive your bike all the way down into Pereira if you want to. The reason I say you can buy a bike over here, but don't buy a bike in Medellin or Cali, people are more aggressive in big cities. They don't respect the motorcycle, and they may accidentally run you over. Like it gets crazy. And if you do get a motorcycle over here, drive it slow. Be careful. No da papaya. But when you start getting crazy, that's when it makes it more challenging for you to prevent their errors. I don't think you're gonna make the error. I think if you're going slower, you can see their error and you can get out of the way for them. So if you are gonna choose to get a motorcycle over here, they're cheap. You can grab one for $1,000. Bing, 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 and you can pop around all over the place. The only time you're gonna get jammed up is when you get caught in the rain. You get caught in the rain. You go sit in a panaderia, get some huevos perico, get a huevos perico and a jugo natural. Chill, wait a little bit, and then you go on your way. You're probably over here. You're probably either working remotely or retired anyway. What are you in a rush to do? So I'll see you in a bit. If I see something good over here, I'm going to tell you about it.